Pasta is a universal product consumed worldwide. It is made from durum wheat, semolina, and water, with eggs, tomatoes, or spinach included in some recipes, and comes in a wide variety of shapes and colors. It is convenient, nutritional, economical, saves time and labor. Extended shelf life, and it's available off the market shelves. The ready-to-eat or ready-to-cook convenience foods are divided into two categories. One is shelf-stable convenience food and frozen convenience food. In this ready-to-cook food, example instant mix like cake mix, gulab jamun, vermicelli, noodles, macaroni, and pasta products are comes under ready-to-cook products. Packaging requirement for difference, taking into account the high consumption compared to the population, the factors that can positively increase demand are the quality of the product, an innovative product, differentiation through information and packaging. Packaging consideration and selection criteria for choosing packaging materials are product characteristics, the type of food and its composition, moisture, fat, protein, flavor, etc. Form and shape of the product, such as smooth, regular, irregular, with sharp edges, etc. Nature of the product, crisp, brittle, sticky, etc. Factors affecting packaging. The major factors responsible for the spoilage of the food products: biological spoilage due to microorganisms, abiotic spoilage due to chemical reactions like oxidation, hydrolysis, and enzymatic reactions, the environmental factors like light, humidity, and temperature, the food processing parameters, example, processing temperature and duration. Use of various packaging materials used in the pasta packing, which includes either a single film, otherwise it is a laminated or composite films. Mainly for the packaging of pasta, it has very low moisture content. So normally the packaging material it should have high barrier for moisture, and as well as the barrier properties for the light as well as oxygen will be considered a major criteria for selecting this packaging material. And among the different packaging materials available for the pasta, the aluminum foil, polyethylene, polypropylene, and polyester films, cellophanes are highly used in the packaging industry. Packaging of dried pasta. Dried egg pasta is generally flow packed in a cardboard tray using horizontal flow wrap packing machines. Filled dried pasta is only packed in stand-up, self-supporting, square or rectangular bottom packs using vertical form fill and seal machines. Packaging fresh pasta, which include flexible packaging material, semi-rigid from converter, the classic pillow bags, flexible stand-up packs or trays. Pasta packaging depends on the type of product and its use, generally be subdivided into flow wrap, pillow pack type flexible packaging, flow wrap, stand-up self-supporting bottom flexible packaging, rigid cardboard packaging. Nowadays in the market, new active packaging products, pasta from moisture and insects also available. Filling and packaging of pasta. Packaging of this product in following types of packaging, which includes pillow pack, flat bottom bag, seamed edges bag, volumetric bag with cutout handle, package with cardboard plate. Machineries for pasta making. A wide range of machines which is used for packaging of pasta, which includes flow pack horizontal machines. Number 2, vertical form fill and seal machines. And number 3, multi-head weighing system and loading system. So this is the example in industry how this pasta will be packed in multiple head weighing system. And here the pastas are weighed in individual pouches by using vertical form fill sealing machine according to the weight recognized. So here three operations will be taking place: the forming of the pouches, filling and the sealing. So all these three operations which will be taking place in a single machine. Ready-to-eat pasta products. Instant noodles shall be packaged in containers which will safeguard the hygienic, nutritional, technological, and organoleptic qualities of the product. They should not impart any toxic substances or undesirable odor or flavor to the product. Particularly the packaging material used for instant noodles packaging, which includes EPS packaging, polypropylene packaging material, polyethylene, polystyrene, copolymer, and paper coated with polyethylene and foil films. Thank you.